I almost lost a ton of money with Amazon FBA this Q4 because I was cheap. And I'm going to explain to you why, and I'm going to actually advise you to make the investment in your business if you need to improve tools or whatever, because it can cost you a lot of money in the future. So you've seen this. Let me make sure that I point it correctly. This one. Yeah. This. You've seen this printer, okay, on my channel ever since I started YouTube, right? And I'm going to show it to you. All right, so this is a thermal printer, but this is a really, really old Zebra LP 2844. This is what I've been using for my product label and for my shipping label. All right, so it's working fine right now. But I actually never made the switch to a Rollo because I was saying this old printer is working fine. I actually had a couple of them that I used to have 4. I literally had 4 of these, right? 4 or 5, and we threw all the other ones away. I'm not gonna lie, I did not want to throw them away. My wife wanted to throw them away because we were not using them, right? Today I had a ton of shipments to actually send in, right? And you know that you cannot send shipments to customer when you do FBM late, right? This printer stopped working for like right before, because like I'm telling you, I had so much shit to prep that it was not to prep, but kind of to prep. But I had so much shit to send today. I'm so tired. I haven't slept in 4 days, especially with the live masterclass from yesterday. I had so many shit to ship that we were not even done by the time UPS actually came, right? By the time UPS actually came to pick up the package, right? And not only we had UPS to work with, but like FedEx and USPS. So we were about to be done with UPS, and this printer actually stopped working, right? And it could have cost me a lot of money because I could have lost my privilege to send stuff FBM if my ODT or whatever it's called actually goes too low, right? It could have caused me a lot of issue. However, it was able to get fixed. But let this be a lesson for all of you guys. And this is something that I've done a little bit too much, sometimes I'm a little bit too cheap investing in, not all the time, sometimes I invest too much money. But sometimes I'm a little bit too cheap in upgrading stuff. And this time it could have cost me a lot of money, because sometimes I actually invest a lot of money, like on this YouTube channel, I went all in, to invest in the best tools. But like with this printer, it was working just fine. So I said, you know what? I'm just keep working with this printer. And it quit on me today. So I'm finally going to be able to try the Rollo and I'll do a comparison. I'll try the two. But this is something that almost fucked me up. Of course, it was able to be resolved kind of fast. Not kind of fast, okay. Still has some issues. It has a lot of issues, right? It's an old printer. It has a lot of issues. It's doing the job. If you're just starting, it's doing the job. You can get one for not too much money. Let me actually look. Let me actually look for you. And I actually opened up the wrong window. Let me actually look. Let me open Google Chrome. We're going to look at this together. So, it's called a Zebra LP 2844. You can get this for pretty cheap, right? And I never open my Google Chrome like this. You guys know I'm tired with Q4 with all this shit. I'm really, really tired. Okay, so this is bullshit. Okay, I think I paid like $50. You can get one on eBay for like $20. Okay, from $20. You can get one on eBay for $20. If you're just starting, then do that. There's no need for you to invest $200. Do not pay $149 for one of these. Okay, they are really, really old. There's no point in you doing that. But if you can get one for like $34 or best offer, if it's working, no power adapter. The power adapter is really, really cheap. If it's working, you're just starting, you do not want to spend a lot of money, yeah, of course, buy that. But as you grow, just buy something that's a little bit better. The truth is that I actually bought a better one, but it actually sucked. Okay, a couple of years ago, like I think 1.5 years ago, I improved it. I upgraded, and it actually sucked. But yeah, so quick story to tell you guys to actually invest in your business. You know, do not be like me. Do not make the same mistake that I made with this printer. Actually, get a Rollo. I will see. I've never tried a Rollo, by the way. So we're going to improve the background and get a Rollo, and we're going to get rid of this old printer, right? So I want to tell you this quick story to make sure that, you know, you do not make the same mistakes as me. And it's always, I mean, I always like to actually share my loss with you guys, not my wins. So this is a small loss. Hopefully you can learn from it. Make the investments, you know, buy a barcode scanner, buy what else do you need to run this business? Buy the tool, buy the software. It's going to make your life easier. You're going to be less stressed and you're going to make more money. I should have made the move a long time ago. And I haven't just bought the regular Rollo. I bought the wireless one. So yeah. We'll see. I'll do a quick product review and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you're crushing it with this Q4. We're getting back with long form videos, with longer videos soon. I just have a ton of work, so I'm just keeping you guys updated like this with what's going on with my business. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.